Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The compound reacts with 2,4-DNP, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, which means it must contain a carbonyl group, aldehyde or ketone. This eliminates options C and D, which are alcohols. No carbonyl group to react with 2,4-DNP. Moving on to the next step. The haloform test is positive for methyl ketones, CH3COR, and acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, as well as secondary alcohols that can be oxidized to methyl ketones, like to butanol. The compound must give a negative haloform test, meaning it is not a methyl ketone or acetaldehyde. Moving on to the next step. CH3C is equal to O. CH2CH3 is methyl ethyl ketone butanone, MEK. It contains a CH3CO group, so it gives a positive haloform test. This eliminates option A. And for the final step, CH3CH, CH3CHO is to methylpropanol, isobutyraldehyde. It is an aldehyde, reacts with 2,4-DNP. It does not have a CH3CO group. The carbonyl carbon is a CHO at the end of a branched chain, not adjacent to a methyl group in the methyl ketone sense. Therefore, it gives a negative haloform test. CH3CH, CH3CHO C4H8O. Cyclobutanol and 2-butanol are alcohols. They do not react with 2,4-DNP, which requires a carbonyl compound. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.